Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to customize the auto clear search history on Instagram. Did you know you can control when Instagram automatically clears your search history? If you want to learn how to adjust this setting, stay with me until the end of this video. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store or App Store and check if you have the latest version of the Instagram app. If not, update it. After that, open your Instagram app and log into your account if you haven't already. In the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Once you're on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the settings. In the settings, tap on the first option, Account Center. As soon as you open this option, scroll down a bit and in the Account Settings section, select the option called Your Information and Permissions. After that, tap on Search History. When you're in Search History, tap on the option called Keep Searches For. When you get to this part like I did, you'll see that Instagram is set to automatically clear your search history after 30 days. If you want to change this, you can choose whether you want your search history to be automatically cleared after 3, 7, or 14 days. I will choose 14 days. After selecting, tap Confirm to save your changes. And that's the end of this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. See you very soon in the next video, and thank you so much for watching.